Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu server on Virtualbox and how to set up SSH connection. But before creating our Virtualbox server, you need to install or download first the Ubuntu server ISO image. From here, download Ubuntu 24.04.2 long-term support. I've already did that and I don't have to do it again. So let's start creating the VirtualBox machine. Hit new and I'm gonna name it Ubuntu server, and I'm gonna leave this as is. And yes, create a virtual hard disk now. This is the correct option. Okay, dynamically allocated. And I'm gonna increase the disk size a bit to 20, or let's say, okay, fine, 30 gigabytes. Before starting the virtual machine, I'm gonna change the setting a little bit. I'm gonna change the network settings to attach to bridge adapter, and I'm gonna choose WLO1. How did I get to know that? I'm gonna show you. This command is gonna show us some useful information. It's gonna show us the default gateway and the device. So let's keep this in mind. I'm gonna hit OK and start in normal mode. And in here, I'm going to choose the optical disk selector. The optical disk should be the Ubuntu server that we have already downloaded before. I'm gonna hit choose, start, and let's change this to scaled mode. And as you see now, I'm gonna hit enter. Let's close this. And let's choose the language. I'm gonna choose English, but my keyboard is not English United States. I'm gonna identify it and okay. Yes, it is German keyboard and it doesn't have this letter. Yeah, I'm gonna hit OK. Done. Yes, we select Ubuntu server, not the minimized. And here I'm going to set up the network. I'm going to choose IP version 4 for now, and it will not be automatic. I'm setting this to be able to remotely connect using SSH protocol from my local machine to the VirtualBox machine, or the VM. I'm going to choose it to be manual. Remember, when we hit this command, we now know that the default gateway is 192.168.2.1. so if this is the case, then the subnet should be 192.168.2.0 and /24, and I'm gonna choose the address myself, and it's gonna be 192.168.2. 50, for example. And the gateway, of course, we know it from the command 192.168.2.1. The default name servers should be 8.8.8.8, hit comma 1.1.1.1. You have to set the domain name servers, or the DNS, as long as you are setting your network manually. You should set the name servers. Go down and hit save, applying changes, done. Okay, done. We don't have to set the proxy address. Great. Now for the mirror address for Ubuntu, which we will use to install packages from the Ubuntu repository. But I don't like this mirror because it's slow. I'm going to change it to archive.ubuntu.com/Ubuntu. We'll go down. Yes, it's done. Okay, hit done. Go down. Done. Done again. And let's hit continue. You can now write your name. My name is Ahmed. The server name is Ubuntu server. Fine. You can name the server with whatever you want. And I'm gonna write the username Ahmed, and the password, I'm gonna set a simple password for now. Hit done, and I won't enable Ubuntu Pro for now. And I'm going to choose install Open SSH server. Go down and hit done. I don't have to install anything now from these applications. Done. And now I'm gonna wait for the Ubuntu server to be installed. It's gonna take some time. If you want to see what's exactly being installed, you can view the full log. It's downloading some packages and libraries. Okay, great. Almost done. And yes, it has been successfully installed. I'm going to choose reboot now. Please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Just hit enter. And yes, it has been installed, and you can now log in with your username Ahmed and password, and yeah, you're already there. So remember, we have written the IP address, and it is you can see it now, IPv4 address for ENP0S3, and I'm going to use this address to remotely make an SSH connection. Remotely make SSH connection. Let's go to our terminal, and I'm going to say SSH with username Ahmed and Ahmed and I'm gonna write the IP address for this Virtualbox machine. Yeah, we have a previous virtual machine with this one. We have a previous connection, so all we have to do in this case is just copy this command and hit it. Great. Let's connect again. Yeah. Let's write yes, then enter, and then write your Ubuntu server password for the username Ahmed and hit enter, and yeah, you are there. Using SSH connection makes your life way easier, and using the interface from the server itself, from VirtualBox, makes things harder in control. Trying to copy paste something that's not easy and not the best way. I usually start my virtual machine in headless mode. I'm gonna show you how. First, I'm gonna shut it down. I'm gonna hit sudo shut down now, hit the password. I don't want to see this screen. All I have to do now is start, headless start. There is a preview here, so this big screen, I don't want to see it. All I want to do is make SSH connection, or connect from SSH. And again, go hit the password. Yeah, that's way better. So now you have learned how to install it and how to set up SSH connection. And before that, you already know how to manually set up your network. And in the next video, I'm going to get to the topic securing SSH connection. And the reason for this, as I have said before, the first thing that might happen to your server is facing SSH brute force attacks from the botnets out there. So I highly recommend you to start with securing your SSH connection first, and then go further with other security measures that we can do already. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna see you in the next video. See ya.